Today we're making pizza. It's my favorite. Here are the ingredients. We need some water. It should be lukewarm. Add sugar, oil, and yeast in the water. And mix. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Add flour and salt in the mixer. Add yeast water occasionally. Mix it for at least 10 minutes. Put some oil on top. Let it rest for 2 hours. It's ready. Heat it again for 5 minutes. It can make 2 large pizzas. Create a pizza pan. Spread the dough with your hands. Add some sauce. Add some cheddar cheese. Oregano, Parmesan, and toppings of your choice. Add some jalapenos. Chicken, mozzarella. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. It's ready. Add some white sauce on top. Recipe link in the description box. Add some chili flakes on top. It's ready. Making pizzas hard work. Thank you, Mama. I want to eat it all. See you next time. Subscribe.